Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device and account can use FaceTime. Check iOS for updates because FaceTime relies on current system services. Update now if prompted. Next, sign into your Apple ID in Settings so contacts and reachability sync. Once signed in, go to Settings FaceTime and flip the toggle on, then add the phone numbers and emails you want people to call. This sets up the signaling identity FaceTime uses, which prevents call failures later. Now you place the call, open the FaceTime, phone, or contacts app, select the person, and choose video or audio FaceTime. Make sure you pick the correct email or phone entry. FaceTime can use multiple addresses per contact, and choosing the wrong one causes no answer. Grant camera and microphone permission when prompted, because without them the call will connect but you won't be seen or heard. Once connected, you can switch cameras, mute, or add people to make it a group call. To finish, tap the red End button. Afterwards, review your recent calls to confirm success. If a call fails, make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is active, that you're signed into the same Apple ID, and that FaceTime activation completed. Activation can take up to 24 hours. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and toggle FaceTime off and on to reinitiate registration. When nothing changes, contact Apple support. They can diagnose account or network issues you can't resolve yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.